In this video, I'll show you how to upload a background image to your quiz. First, go to the Quiz Design section, open Basic Settings, and click on Background. Here, you can adjust the background color or upload an image. When you click Select Image, you can either choose from your existing store images or upload a new one from your computer. I'll select one of the existing images, and you'll see it applied immediately to the quiz background. You can preview how it looks in both the questions and results, as well as in desktop and mobile view. If you're not happy with the image, you can change it or remove it completely. You can also adjust its opacity using the slider. Keep in mind that opacity interacts with the background color you've chosen, so a light or dark background color will affect how the image appears. Our quiz is fully responsive, meaning it adapts to different screen sizes such as desktop, tablet, and mobile. Because of this, background images may crop or scale differently depending on the device. To make sure your background looks good everywhere, we recommend using large, high-resolution images, at least full HD. Avoid images with lots of text since text may be cut off. If you do use important elements like logos or text, keep them centered. Soft, neutral backgrounds usually work best, and always test your quiz on different devices to see how the background behaves. Remember, simpler backgrounds are often better for responsive design. Once you're happy with the settings, save your changes and preview your quiz to see how it all looks. To learn more, visit our help center at docs.revenuehunt.com.